Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Module 3, the core logic of Find My File app. Here we are going to discuss the on-device file processing in this session. In the last section, we saw how the UI is built. Now we are going to dive into the most critical part of the application architecture, the core logic that actually does the main work. This module is all about how we securely access, read, index user files without ever freezing the app. So we are going through the agenda. So let's go through the agenda of today's session. We will cover logic optimization or decongesting the main thread. Then we will discuss about secure file access. How did we enable us? The storage access framework for this application. Then we'll deep dive into the file indexer worker.kt, which is the main file for the logic layer. Then we will do some kind of practice, a simple practice to show how we can add support for .txt file. And then we will summarize and discuss about the next session. Before we look at our solution, we have to understand the number one enemy of a smooth Android application is doing the heavy work on the main thread itself. The main thread's only job should be to handle user input and draw the UI. If you ask it to do anything else, it will slow it down. Like reading a large file or running AI model, the entire app will freeze. This is what causes the dreaded application not responding or ANR error. So always keep that in mind. Our app's core task, indexing file, is incredibly heavy. Doing this on the main thread will make the application completely unusable for users and the focus will be lost. The solution is to move all of this work into the background to the logic layer instead of the UI layer or main thread.